Save for a rainy day. Save your dimes and nickels. Save for a rainy day. Here we go. M. I say M-O. M-O-P. M-O-P-P. 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 Mop. R. I say R-A. R-A-G. R-A-G-G. R-A-G-G. M-O-P-P. Rag mop. Rag mop, doodle wide, doodle 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 R-A-G-G-M-O-P-P. Rag mop. A, I say A-B, A-B-C, A-B-C-D, A-B-C-G-E-F-G-H-A-M, I say M-O, M-O-P, M-O-P-P, R-A-G-G-M-O-P-P, rag mop, R-A-G-G-M-O-P-P, rag mop, R-A-G-G-M-O-P-P, rag mop. See that sun again. When it's cloudy in the morning, it's going to be raining in the afternoon. When it's cloudy in the morning, gonna take a sentimental journey just to set my heart at ease. Gonna take a sentimental journey to renew old memories. Packed my bag, got my reservation, spent every dime I could afford. Now here I sit in wild anticipation, long to hear that all aboard. 7, that's the time we're leaving. 7, I'll be waiting up for heaven, counting every mile of railroad track that takes me back. Never thought my heart could be so yearning. Why did I decide to roam? Gonna take a sentimental journey, sentimental journey home. Seven, that's the time we're leaving. 7, I'll be waiting up for heaven, counting every mile of railroad track that takes me back. Never thought my heart could be so yearning. Why did I decide to roam? Gonna take a sentimental journey, sentimental journey home, sentimental journey home.
Like water or just water? Oh, good.
Can you hear that pitter-pat? Let that happy tune be your step. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade with my blues on parade, but now I'm not afraid. This rover crossed over. If I never have a cent, I'll be rich as Rockefeller. Gold dust at my feet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade with my blues on parade, but now I'm not afraid. This rover crossed over. If I never have a cent, I'll be rich as Rockefeller. Gold dust at my feet on the sunny side of the street. On the sunny side of the street. On the sunny side of the street. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train. And there to greet me are my mama and my papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries, to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree I used to play on. Down the lane I stroll with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Well, they'll all come to see me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly, and again I'll touch the green, green grass of home. And look around me at those four gray walls that surround me, and I realize I've just been dreaming. Where there's a guard and there's a sad old padre, arm in arm, will walk at daybreak again, lay beneath the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me neath the shade of that old oak tree, and they'll lay beneath the green, green grass of home. And again, I'll touch the green, green grass of home.
Yeah.